back again.
I'm back again, pals. Still showing you floods. We're on my mom's street. We're in the next block. It's up in these people's yards. We ran into my mom's neighbor who was down the street, and he said that he had to help a lady move her car out of the flooded road area. They said it was coming in through her bumper. He said he got there just in time to give her a hand to get it out. Ooh, that's some oily water. Can't really see it on camera here. There's oil running down the side of the road here in the water. Oh, here you can see it, a little bit of oil. Somebody's got a leak of oil. And get on the sidewalk with you guys. Might be able to give you a little better view of the creek from a different angle here. Ooh, yeah, it was on the sidewalk. The sidewalk's got a film of mud on it, muddy water. Oh yeah, it's coming in over here. It's coming in back here, back there. All these yards along here are all flooded. Goes around the way here. See you later, pals.